able to learn. In some cases, you may not see the difference. In my case po, after I finished my MBA, after 8 years pa po, nakakita ako ng advertisement na ang hinahanap po ay MBA graduate. So yan po number 1, no? Continue to study and learn. Number 2 po is very important. We have to ask for wisdom and pray. Kailangan po magdadasal po tayo. In the morning, before you go to school or your workplace, I suggest po that you read Bible verses. It helps for enlightenment and wisdom, especially on difficult tasks and projects. Meron po akong dalawang favorite Bible verses. Maganda po ito. Number 1 po is Jeremiah chapter 33 verse 3. Madaling tandaan, 33:3. The Lord said, "Call to me, and I will answer you, and tell you great beyond reach of your knowledge." Pag nagdasal po tayo, yung mga hindi natin naiisip na solution to the problems, ayan po, ibibigay po ni Lord yan. And number 2 po, this is from Isaiah 42 verse 16. The Lord said, "I will lead the blind on their journey. By paths unknown I will guide them. I will turn darkness into light before them and make crooked ways straight. These things I will do for them, and I will not forsake them." Alam niyo po ba, when we pray, God can do the most amazing things at the most unexpected time, through the most unlikely sources, in the most unusual things, to bless us in the most delightful way. Basta pagdasal po tayo, magkakaroon po ng miracles, be it big or small. So yun po. Ito na po. So nagdasal na tayo, nakareceive na tayo ng maraming blessings. Ano po ang susunod na strategy? Never sit on your laurels. Huwag po tayong patentik-pentik. Pag nakagawa na tayo ng something good, something extraordinary, huwag po tayong pentik-pentik. Dapat tuloy-tuloy po tayo. Dapat laban-laban po tayo.
Never sit on
In my case po,
wag magpapetik-petik.
after accomplishing something significant, we should not stop. Study how to make another achievement. Dapat tuloy-tuloy po ang achievement. Innovate and improve. Improve yourself. Again po, ito po yung value ng excellence. And the discipline to make the most of every opportunity that come across. So in my case po, dito po sa Mega World, my current employer, 4 months pa lang po ako, naka-expand po ako ng opportunity for improvement, and natuwa po yung boss ko. Hanggang ngayon po, hindi pa ako tinitawan. I'm 29 years now with the company. So, ayun po, kailangan talaga tuloy-tuloy po yung achievement niya and contribution to the company. Huwag po kayong titigan. Okay po, tuloy-tuloy po ang another po. Understand po the value of patience and gratitude. Dapat po meron tayong patience. So, dapat matyaga po tayo. In my case po, I worked for only 3 companies after graduation. SGB, 12 years po ako. Tapos pinahirate po ako ng clinic of FedEx. I worked for 5 years in FedEx. And then the work po, I'm 29 years now. I'm still working po, 29 years now. I did not transfer from one work to another. I just do what I have to do and learn from it. Kailangan po laban-laban lang. I understand po, no, when I was in SGB, may isang year hindi po ako na-promote. Okay po? Hindi ako nag-resign. Tuloy-tuloy pa rin ako. And the next year, nung na-promote na po ako, iba na po, swerte na, pinadala na po kami training sa US. Nabigyan po kami ng US visa yung mga kabatch ko. Kaya maganda po yung naghihintay, meron tayong patience. So nabigyan po kami ng US visa, and we got to travel to San Francisco, Chicago, Washington, Baltimore, Maryland, Los Angeles, New York, New Jersey. Dami po namin napuntahan. So kailangan po talaga minsan tayo, huwag kayong bibitaw-bitaw lang. So yun naman po ano. So after po, kung nasa FedEx na po ako, so I was quite po, yung FedEx po kasi tinatransfer sa Subic, no? And I was quite hesitant to get away from my family. So, nagdasal po kami, family ko, and ako, and yan po, nakita ko po ang network. So, as I said, I'm 29 years with the company. Ito po, blessing lang ito. Nagbabasa lang po ako ng newspaper nung hindi pa uso pa yung bulletin today. Nakita ko lang po isang advertisement. They're looking for finance officer. Binasa ko po yun. Inaplayan ko. Nung tinawag na po ako, doon ko nakita, female pala hinahanap nila. Hindi ko po nabasa yung female sa advertisement. So this is really blessing na binigay nila. Ngayon, nandito ako sa company namin. So yun po. And lastly po, okay, second to the last po, take extra effort and manage your time. Aside from discipline, there should be malasakit. Dapat po magmalasakit tayo sa company. To give extra effort regularly and when necessary and manage your time. It will impress your boss and inspire your peers too. In my situation po, whenever I think of someone or something, nililista ko po. I text my team and even update my boss kahit na po after office hours. I use this technique to lessen heavy workload during regular office hours. So, yun po. So, ito na po yung last strategy na ginawa ko. Oversee and improve the rules of the game and change them. So, dapat po creative tayo. Kagaya po nung sa video, si Minion, nabasag yung ilaw. So, sila na rin ang naging ilaw. Hindi na sila naghanap ng talagang bulb. So, normally kasi we follow procedures. Okay po? Standards. But we should take the initiative to improve. We should be disruptors. We should be proactive. Para loading po tayo, di ba? Pag loading ay doon, para sisikan po kayo sa company. So, ang tunay na loading po talaga is PUP Laboratory High School. It has gone a long way as well. From its humble beginning in 1954 as the Philippine College of Commerce Laboratory High School, offering only commercial curriculum, it is now continued to keep its pace with the technological developments of the cyber age. So yun po, yan lang ang ginawa ko po. So gusto pa natin balikan, summarize po. Okay po, yan po ang ginawa ko. Nakalista po yan. Yan. Continue to study and learn, ask for wisdom and pray. Yan po. If you notice po sa pagkang kaliwa, C-A-N-U-T-O. Ako po yun, apelido ko po yun. Ginaya ko lang po yung apelido ko.
Woo! Yes! Woo!
So, this is my personal journey. It is hardly to have been shaped by our beloved PUP. I consider this as the foundation of my career. I know that everyone also shares the same. But as we reflect on our achievement in the past, let us also look forward. Let us strive to push our boundaries and create more impact, uniting our efforts for a brighter and more prosperous future for the academy and for the country. Together, let's celebrate our 40th anniversary with a commitment to continue upholding the values of excellence, discipline, commerce, and nationalism. Cheers to PUP